guys? It's Kevin here, and today we are on the Crazy Family Pet channel. I only have 3 videos. I used to make the Auntie William channel. That was my channel, but I'll also do some of those videos. But they're doing an Crazy Family Pet channel. So let's get started. Today I only have 3 videos. Let's get started. So first, we're just gonna play with our animals today. Here are my 2 pigs. Oh, these are baby pigs. That's Mama. That's Mama. That's Mama pig. That's Pug. That's Lucky, and it's Pugworth, and there's Peppa. Peppa's a mom. That's Lala. She's a foster dog. Look at my mom does. That's Bluey, my dog. Bingo, my mom's dog. Find my other dogs. Bears inside. I'll show you my that's Bits, my dad's dog. I'll show you Bingo and Butters. Not Bingo, that's Bingo. I'll show you Butters and Nova and Bear. Bear always runs off. He jumps things. Hi, Lala. Lala got in. But I got that. Yeah.
Alright, well, do not come into this living room.
That's Bear. Sorry guys, we're rearranging our house. Say hi to the camera, Micah. He was the one that used to do Bigfoot with us. But we're still gonna do Bigfoot and on Auntie William's channel, and we're gonna do Bigfoot on yeah. We're gonna still do Auntie William. We're gonna do Bigfoot on Auntie William's channel too. In fall, and also gonna do Bigfoot videos on the Crazy Family Pet channel. So and so the dog. Can I show my viewers Miare? This is Miare. I'm showing YouTube Miare. This is Miare. I'm doing a video about all our dogs and cats and stuff.
Just don't get me in it.
Okay. Can't show Gala right now because he's sleeping. And no idea. So that's all my animals. Now I'm gonna show you around my backyard. I moved 6 months ago. My dad wouldn't let me do a video of our moving because we were 30 minutes. We were an hour away. An hour. I'm not allowed to tell you where I live though. This is our yard. Yeah. And I have a new video. This is not my actual voice, but it sounds different. I kind of sound like a kid, like a 6-year-old in videos, but it's not my actual voice. Guys, I sound better than this. But if you're 6, no offense. If you're 6, no offense. Or don't get no offense. I don't really mean 6-year-old, but you would. Hi, Lucky. All the dogs love me, and the pig. Peppa's very good with animals, and Peppa's very good with animals and kids and everything. All the dogs are very good with everything, and the pigs and all the animals are good with everything. So we're just gonna play with our animals today. First, we're gonna start off with Peppa. I'll get her treats. So we're not play train. We're gonna train them. I was showing all my animals for like 5 minutes, but we love animals. Get a bowl of her treats. Oh, this is her treats. This is our carport. So, whatever animal you like the best, type in the comments. Would you like the group of dogs, the group of pigs, the group of cats? I couldn't show you the Garden and Nini's dog right now, I'm sorry. Let's get back to the thing. Tell me, would you like to type pigs in the comments if you like the pigs better? Dogs in the comments if you like dogs better. Cats if you like cats better. And oh no, I don't know what they have. And then tell me if you like my yard better or our carport. So, if you guys haven't watched it on Total Williams channel, you guys should watch it. I'm just trying to fill up this channel with how many videos I have on Total Williams channel, and then I'm going to switch when I have as many videos as I do on the Total Williams. I mean, if I have on the videos that I have on the Total Williams, as many videos that I have on the Total Williams channel that I have on this channel. I'll start taking turns. So I'm gonna start with the Total Williams channel first. I'll get it, but it's gonna be my first video. So we're side by side. I got it from my dad. My grandpa, my mom's dad. I'm trying to find the dog's traits. I'll send the pigs first, and I'm going to train the cats today, because I'm inside. My mom works at Young Williams, which volunteer. She can't work, she can only volunteer because she's disabled. She has brain damage. But, no offense to my mama. But I'm going to, she volunteers at Young Williams. We have these dogs we're going to train. And pigs, we don't train cats, so my mom does not train cats. But she's been teaching me how to train pets. My mom also lives in a farm. So, I'll get my treats and my toys for my pig toys. We all have at least 2 pig toys, all the kids. I have 1 sister and 3 brothers. So first, I'm gonna go on Peppa. Oops. Let's go animal groomer right here to the back. Don't want she won't hurt me. She was just scared. You know what? Since the pigs don't need them, dogs should be groomed. Yes! That's my neighbor. I'll probably do another video right after this with my neighbor. My friend Nick was in most of my Bigfoot videos. My friend and also my cousin Phelan. We're gonna groom and then go over there, okay? Let's see the dog. Gently. Now I'm gonna go to my neighbor's house.
I thought that dog keeps it open.
Where?
But she said don't bother about washing it, just bring it over. Because it's just going to get dirty again.
That's what I said.
I said, well, Mom said she wanted it clean. She goes, "Pfft, I love that thing, just bring it over. Just please don't put it in the mud. I
Where?
said, I'm going to have Evan roll it in the mud, then I'm going to have Gavin roll in the mud, tell Gavin to roll all over it.
A minute, guys. Sorry, I paused it. I was just gonna talk to my mom about something. I'm gonna try to look at my money before I go to Kentucky Splash to get the. We're going to Kentucky Splash. Forgot to tell you guys that. I don't know if you heard of my videos, Jayden, my friend, but yeah. We're probably going to Kentucky Splash on August 1st, and I'll try to get a waterproof camera because I'm doing it with my phone now. A camera stick or something, guys. Can you please go? Come, boy. And let's get that. We already grown below A. I'll talk to my mom and call them to get to grooming. No, it's actually not. On the next video, I'm going to train the dogs and animals. I'm going to do it right after this. So bye guys, I was only training my dogs this video. I'm going to do a video right after this right now. Peace.